Hello, this is Alexandra with the Bucket List Mermaid, and today we are at the Great Sand Dunes National Park. She's gonna go sledding. I'm going to attempt to sandboard. And we're gonna document the whole thing so that you can see what it's like, so that you can check it off your bucket list as well. I'm gonna eat so much sand. Let's go. People that you are renting from suck and do not tell you how to wax your board, you are definitely going to need some of this. Unlike snow, where you only have to get it waxed like a couple times a season, once a season, this is like every single time because it needs it in order to go on the sand. So you wipe off all of the sand, and then he explained it like you're just drawing on it like a kid with a crayon. So I don't know if you can kind of see it on there. And then once you're on the sand dunes, you just flip it over and you just go like this on the sand and you should be good to go. The sand can actually reach up to 150 degrees in the summer, so therefore I would definitely plan your trip maybe around late September, early October. If you do go during this time, for example, today is, I think, October 7th, you will also get treated to these mountain leaves changing, and that's just an extra treat. They're literally everywhere, and the drive up here was insane. And you don't get your feet burned by the scorching hot sand. Extra win. Just gonna go sledding. Sand sledding. We're now beginning our trek to the Great Sand Dunes. It's a little hard to hike on this sand. As per the recommendations of the store guide, I brought a light sweatshirt. You have to have a bandana just in case it gets windy, some eye protection, and then some protection from the heat. You are 8,000 feet up, so you are closer to the sun than you might be used to. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll let you know if I wish I would have brought anything else. Also, just a fair warning, in order to get to the hills to go sandboarding or sledding, it is kind of a trek, because that's how long I have to go. That's how long we've walked. It's okay. It's just like, if you have bad knees, just take those precautions and know that you're gonna have to walk a little bit in order to get to the actual dunes. Here I am, the Great Sand Dunes. I'm gonna try sandboarding for the very first time. I'm so scared. Wow, covered in sand. Update, it is a little hard to climb up the sand. I'm a little out of breath, but we're gonna give this go. Round number 2. It's a little hard to keep my feet in here. Excellent. Okay, this is attempt number 3, sandboarding. I'm getting better, I think. better. So I've learned to put your weight on your back foot and lean into your back foot. It's different than snowboarding. I'm gonna try the steeper hill. I don't know how it's gonna go. I think you can see it over there. But you know, let's just give it a go. And if I fail, I fail. I haven't eaten nearly enough sand as I thought I was going to, so let's fix that. Okay, so I did the hike. I'm not gonna lie, it was actually probably one of the hardest hikes I've ever done, just because the sand on an incline makes it so much harder to actually get up. So if you are gonna do the hike, make sure to probably bring good shoes, definitely bring water, and allow for a lot of time because you're gonna need breaks. I don't think I saw one singular person up there who was just absolutely smashing it. Everyone was kind of struggling, so made me feel a little bit better, but wow, it was really hard. If you are going to the top, I brought the sled. It wasn't that great getting down. I don't know why the sled just wouldn't move, so I would definitely bring a sandboard instead if you can sandboard. We were all the way up there. That's so far away. And also, if you are going to the very top, there's like a second highest peak, and then there is the very top. If you are going to the very top, which I believe is one of the highest sand dunes in North America, you are definitely gonna have to be prepared to crawl on your hands and knees because you physically cannot get up that steep of sand and you will fall down. Great experience, it was super fun. I really need a nap now, that was a lot. The little bandana around my neck, use it, because I went down one of these sleds, absolutely wiped out. All of the sand went in my mouth. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be pooping it out for the next week. Don't be me, just wear your bandana. I even had it around my neck, I'm just an idiot. I just forgot to put it on, don't be me. They also warned us to not use your hands or feet to try to stop yourself on the sled. If you start to turn, you actually have to just abandon ship and hurl yourself off of it. But don't worry, the sand is very nice, and I actually didn't get hurt, and I wiped out pretty hard a few times. So yeah, just embrace it, throw yourself off of it, arrive alive. Never have I ever done an entire hike in my socks. Can't say that now.